Hello friends, this is Tariq again and welcome to the Let's Accelerate our channel. And if you're liking the video, please subscribe our channel and please mention the comment in the comment box so that we can know that what improvements do we need to make. Are you really liking these videos or not? So in today's video we're going to talk about we cannot enter or we cannot insert any sheet like this. I just want to move this sheet to this one. This is not allowing, and I just want to move this sheet one after the sheet 2. It's not allowing. I just want to insert a new sheet. It's not allowing. So how to do that? Let's get started. So with this option you will not be able to insert, move, rename or delete the sheets which you have already existed in the file. So how to do this? You have to go to the file option and info option, and you have to go to the Protect Workbook, and you'll have to select the Protect Workbook structure. And if you want to apply the password, if you want to use the password, you can mention it. It's optional, so if you don't want, then you leave it blank and click OK over here. The moment you click on it, you want it to rename, you won't be able to do that. You want to delete it, you are not able to see the option for the deleting it. You want to move the sheet 1 or sheet 2 after the sheet 1, you won't be able to do that. If you want to insert any other, so you will not be able to see that. Now the question is how to remove this one. If you want to apply, if you want to make some changes, you want to rename those, so how to do that? You have to go back to the info option. You have to click on the Protect Workbook option, and have to click once again on this option, and you'll be able to make changes. Now you are able to make changes, you are able to insert. So that's how we can do this. So that was it. And please leave your comment in the comment box so that we can know what all the information you need, what you want from us. Are you really liking this or not? So please subscribe our channel and hit like button so that we can get motivation and we can make a good video for you. So till the time, please keep watching Let's Accelerate. Thank you very much.